So when it comes to fitting a new toilet seat, the first thing you want to do is just to wipe down your surface of where you're going to put your toilet seat. Just clean it up. Then once you're happy it's all clean, you then grab your new toilet seat, take off these white parts here, then peel these sticky tabs off here. Once you've done that, you want to turn them outwards. Then I'm going to flip your toilet seat over, put it down, line these tabs up here with the holes, and make sure the toilet seat's sitting on straight and level. Just like that. Once you're happy that's level, then when I open the package and take out 2 of these bolts, then you put them down either hole like this, making sure you keep it nice and level. And then just want to grab this nut and washer, and then hold it with your thumb. And then screw it down until it's about hand tight. And do the same for the other side. And once you've got both of these sides about hand tight, then want to grab the Allen key and this tightening tool here. And then you want to put the Allen key in this top nut, this top bolt here. And then put this one underneath on the nut. And then you just want to turn it clockwise. Till it's nice and tight. And then repeat the same on the other side. And once they're nice and tight, you want to open up your other packaging to get these end caps. And you want to lift up your toilet seat and then put them down under and line them up roughly with the side. And there you go, all done.